Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be resetting the service light reminder on the dashboard in our Sprinter van. Stay tuned. Hello guys, thanks for joining us. Please hit subscribe below, it really helps us out. I'm sure you're going to find this video useful if you're already watching it. So in today's video, we're going to be resetting the service light on our Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. We did the service, I think 2 or 3 days ago now. And if you want to see the video for that service, then click up here. But obviously now the service is done, we need to reset the reminder on the dashboard. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, so here we are. You can see the steering wheel. I've actually retrimmed the steering wheel. If you want to watch the video for retrimming steering wheel, then click up in this corner. The first thing I want to note is the SRS light is on my dashboard. And that's only because when I replaced the passenger seat to fit the swivel base, I accidentally disconnected the cable. That's actually going to be getting reset on Thursday when I have a remap done on the van. Anyway, on with the service light. So we need to turn the ignition on. So the ignition lights come on. There we go. You need to click through with these buttons until you find your mileage. There we are, we've got the mileage. And now we're going to use the up and down arrow to go to the service. There we go, service A overdue by 3 days. Now the service was actually done 2 or 3 days ago, so we can ignore that because I have actually done it. And to reset that, what I need to do is press the 0 button for about 10 seconds. So I'm going to do that now until I hear a beep. Now it's made the beep, I need to click this button and you'll see this screen on the dashboard. Now scroll up until you find service. Click 0 and here you'll be brought to another screen. It will say some complete service, vehicle handover or service cancel. Scroll up until you see standard, and now with it on standard I press the up button again. It says confirm complete service, reset 3 seconds. I now hold down the 0 button again. And it says service confirmed. Now when I turn off the ignition and turn it back on again, it says service B in 19,000 miles. Thanks again guys, thanks for joining us. That is how to reset the light on our Mercedes-Benz Sprinter van. Ours is a 2011 medium wheelbase model. Thanks again, see you soon. Over and out.